One less glue book and my little mini composition book. I have my glue. I have my scissors. I have junk over here that I want to glue down, and I have cut apart sentiments from a magazine. Alrighty, this is going to be a quick one because I'm expecting a call any minute now, and so but you see I've been working in it, so let's get started. But everybody is well, so let's hurry up. This was on the floor, so I'm going to, I don't know how it got on the floor. That's something. Oh, a lot of things have fallen, and so it could have fell out the bag, and I mispicked it up, so down it goes. Down it goes for the next time. Okay. Where's my little bone folder? Yeah. So, I don't want to work on that page, but that was sitting there. Ugh. Alrighty. It would help if I stay in frame. I've been using a lot of this what's called paper. Ugh. Purse thing again. I mean it must have fallen out. I think I did not too long ago. Dropped my bag, bag of scraps and things all over the floor. I know I dropped that. I dropped my die cuts all over from up there. Ugh, that's why these little pieces are here. I dropped a lot of stuff. So that's probably why it's out. Napkin, I don't know where this napkin came from. Let's put some of that down. Someone gave a tip on how to get the backing off, and I forgot it. You can put it down below if you know it. Let me know. I didn't even know about a napkin was down there. I'm going to use some of that napkin. I mean, if you do projects without it falling on the floor, then you're better than I, because I can't. All my stuff falls on the floor. So I clean it up, and then with small, I'll glue book with it. You know, or if all of it didn't get into back where it go, there we go. We want that off. If all of it didn't get back to where it was supposed to go, because you know sometimes, oh, a page will stay out or a scrap part will stay out, and I'm not going to put it back because I store a lot of my things in iris cases, and I'm not going back in there. So I'll just glue book with it. This is off a card. That was an old card. This was off a mixed media mingle that I did at some point. It fell down, so why not put it in my glue book? Or do I like that piece? Oh, he looks so sad over there. This was just a quick session here, and I think I'm done. I think I'm done. As you know me, if you're new here, I can't stop. I'll keep adding. I always have to tell myself, stop, stop, stop. But did you know I'm not finished? Of course I added more because in my signature style, wouldn't be a Micki's Arts and Crafts glue book page unless I framed and bordered. You know, I say that in a lot of my videos. I always like to frame and border. So I would like to thank you so very much for watching. If you're new here, I hope you come back and join me again. And if you're if you've been here for a while, thank you again for watching. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.